Hi guys, welcome back to the best channel on YouTube. We have a couple of cars here today, and we have a GTI. I mean, we have Leicester over here.
Oh,
we have a Golf 6 GTI, and we have a CLA. And yes, we have the keys. So this is a CLA 250. Doors already unlocked. Let's see what the boot is like. Let's start it up. Nice. 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 So guys, this is the owner of the lovely CLA 250. Can you tell us about the car?
Okay, so it's a 2021 CLA 250 AMG trim.
Okay.
So it has the AMG wheels. It has the AMG package basically.
Yeah.
AMG steering wheel, package seats, red steering, seat belts, everything.
So let's get this clear. It's for sale.
Yes, it is. It is 55,000. But you can call me. We can talk.
Yeah. So guys, his information will be down there. Link to his page and like his contact details will be down there. I'll get it and put it down there for you. And yeah, it's lovely, guys. I feel like I'm in an E-Class. C63. The GTR is back again. That's one loud machine. Maheen. Mustang GT is loud. From the last video, guys, this GT has still been on my mind. Sheesh.
So we were looking at an RS3, an Audi RS3. I think it's faster than most of this foolish things over here. This is not bad cars.
This is the original bag. That is why you buy an Audi. That's why you buy an Audi. Very lovely machine. Wait for it.
Which car is? Which car is?
P.O.V. of the Type R.
Bro, if she's down for weaving, my mind will.
Oh my God.
We are going out with the Mustang GT. You're good. Such a lovely drive, guys, to be very, very honest. Let me just rev the car a bit.
Oh, why is it not going back? You have to hold it. You have to hold it.
I'll give this car, it's a driver's car. You need to know what you're doing, otherwise you are done. Car's moving out. Bye. I'm not seeing. Your Instagram.
Yes. Ben Asa 9.
Yeah.
Check out for
Guys, it's gonna be right here somewhere.
good
That's him.
automotive photography content.
Exactly.
That's all you're gonna get. See you.
Watch yourself. man.